Getting reviews on Amazon FBA is crucial for boosting product visibility and credibility. Here's a concise guide on how to encourage and manage reviews. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure timely and accurate fulfillment of orders. High-quality products and reliable shipping lead to positive reviews. Optimize your listings. Create detailed, accurate, and compelling product listings. High-quality images and clear descriptions improve customer satisfaction. Use the Request a Review button. In Amazon Seller Central, go to Orders and select Manage Orders. Find the order you want to follow up on, click the three dots and select Request a Review. This sends a review request email to the customer, compliant with Amazon's policies. Enroll in Amazon's Early Reviewer program. This program encourages initial reviews by offering small incentives to customers who make a purchase and leave a review. Note that this program is available only for certain products and may have associated costs. Leverage Amazon Wine program. For high-quality, well-established products, Amazon Wine can help get reviews by offering free products to trusted reviewers in exchange for honest feedback. Follow up with customers. After a purchase, send a polite follow-up message via Amazon's messaging system. Remind customers to leave feedback and address any issues they might have. Avoid incentivizing reviews. Do not offer discounts or gifts in exchange for positive reviews, as this violates Amazon's policies and can result in penalties. Monitor and respond to reviews. Regularly check and respond to reviews. Address negative feedback professionally and use it to improve your products and services.